just melting off. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a doozy. Come with me, I'll show you. Oh, she's gonna be a good one, boys. Stick around to see this come off. Let's clean them gutters, is already up, already clean. Look at that. Yeah, I'm just going to set the tripod up. I'm just going to set the... You can already see it's coming off, look at that. You can shut it off now, Frank. Look at that melting off. Melty, baby, melty. She's melting. She's coming off. She's just melting off. Couple of more minutes. Couple of more minutes, my mush. I like to keep mine wet, baby. Just a quick dust like that. Don't want it drying on there because then it'll just stop working. That's all you need to do. Push, bosh. Well, I know you can see it because I can see it just melting off of there. Look at that. Oh, she's one enough of this. Don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, baby. Relight my fire.
You see it? I'm melting. I'm melting. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely. Yeah, I've got 2 different colors. Shiny. This one's faded over the years, but it's spotless. My name's spotless. Look at that. That's really beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that, just running off of it. This is why everybody wants to bring the paintball guys, baby. I got to see the sun, pretty nice. I think I'm much better than that.
Let's go have a quick look here. See how she looks. Looky, looky. Looky, looky, looky. You ain't getting much better than that, boys. Right, I'm out of here.